Hammerdown Motorsports spectacular episode. I've got a couple things to go over today. I got some valve caps for the SS Camaro, which is probably one of the easiest mods that I'm going to be doing on the car. But yeah, it's one of those little extra touches that I like to do to my cars, give it a little bit of a personal feel for myself. So, and also, Christmas came again. We've got some boxes here, and by the size of it, I'm hoping that it is one of the mods that I've ordered probably in October for the Cummins. So, I'm going to be opening that up and checking that out in a little while. But first of all, as you can see, the snow has thinned out quite a bit. The sun's been on it pretty much all day, although it is still cold. We still got grass showing up everywhere. So what I'm going to be doing is putting the MXZ down where the old sled was. And I watched another YouTube video, and they had a trick on trying to get these old sleds that are flooded out started. I'm pretty sure it's my fault. I flooded it real bad, and that's why it wouldn't go. But I'm going to give this trick a try and see if I can get that one to move so I can put the new one in its place. So here we go. Here we are. This is the back of my little shop that I got here. Actually, this was the deck to my camper this summer. When we moved it back to the new house, I ended up bringing it with us and made this little roof system here to kind of keep all my stuff out of the snow. So I'm going to try to get this sled in where this one is, and hopefully this one will start. Screw this sled. I'm done with it. I ain't pulling no more. Towed out here. If anybody's wondering, this is the KFI Tiger Tail. It's the brand right there. These are really great products. They just go in your hitch and gives you a synthetic winch line type thing, tow rope, and you're just able to hook onto whatever, and it just reels out on its own. And then once you unhook it, it reels back in pretty well. So no, I definitely recommend this. Mine's a little bit crooked from my last trail ride. I hit a little bit of rocks there, but no, other than that, I mean, this thing's been great. Definitely had to include on this part of the video is, wow, look at this. The 2010 Dodge Ram 1500, and the most rare occurrence ever happened. My wife came home from work and it's clean. She took it to the car wash. I didn't have to do it. It's amazing. And even at 80,000 miles, this truck is still looking pretty sharp. So, good to see. Alright, we're going to find out now what was in the boxes that I had outside the garage there earlier in the video. The first item was the thing that I was actually expecting. This is the headlights that I'd ordered for the Cummins. These are the quad beam Dodge 2014 Dodge headlights. Also, these are custom painted black, and then got the RGB halos in them as well. So I'll be able to do all kinds of color shift and strobes and all that kind of thing. Use it as a safety item and also kind of a fun toy as well. This is a remote control that comes with it to be able to control your different light patterns and things like that. And also going in with that is the H11 Zentek HID kit for the low beams. So I'll be able to actually have decent headlights. Driving through the back roads here at night in the wintertime, it gets pretty dark in there, and there's no street lights, so the HIDs are definitely going to be an improvement to the factory incandescents. Alright, 13th of January, the weather has changed, snow is all gone. Camaro's out, the sun is out. Let's go for a drive. That brings us to the end of the video. Thank you everybody for watching. Please like and subscribe. Put your comments in the comments section and keep that hammer down.